We should have a mayor that's out and about talking to organizations, whether you have a different point of view or happen to be in the current point of view. You have to be able to have that dialogue. You have to be able to have a leadership that is away from this political factionalism that has plagued our city for far too long. We need to be able to engage our community genuinely. Instead of shutting them off the microphone, telling them they can't petition, telling them that they can't do this or they can't do that. Let's shift the culture of our politic in El Paso. Let's utilize as our litmus the voice of the community. Just listen to your moans and groans or cheers in this debate. There's active opinions that have not been listened to for far too long. Let's listen.
Thank you, Hector. Oscar.